Good morning, my little learners. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. We start our day with the Samarpreet of your class, Samarpreet Singh. He sent his video and activity on Father's Day, and that is so good, very good. Clap for him. And some children, they send activity on that day. They are very good. Their activity with his father, with the handprint, and next activity, some children, they will send cycling and yoga with his father. I appreciate your videos are too good, nice, and thank you. Now we start a day. What is the date today? Today is 30th. Which date is today? 30th. And which month is going on? 6th month is going on. And year is 2020. And what is the day today? All of you speak out. Today is Tuesday. All of you speak out. Repeat after me. Today is Tuesday. And spelling of Tuesday, Tuesday, day, Tuesday. And then sight word, he. Sight word, he. All of you repeat after me 2 times. He. Sight word is he. We use look and say method for sight word, he. And sentence of today is, he has a fat cat. Now you learn how to join the words fur at a, fat girl at a, cat. You know na? Now we read full sentence. He has a fat cat. Once again repeat after ma'am. He has a fat cat. Very good. Now we start. Okay. Today ma'am will give you division of 1 to 120, and after that we write 130 till 130, 121 to 130. Before that, I want to give you revision on dodging also and forwarding also. Okay, we start dodging 1 to 100, yes, or 1 to 100 or 100 to 20 till. Okay, now listen, I will teach you that day also, and now again I will teach you also, and you will speak out where you write. Now you know the concept of HTO. O means ones, T means tens, and H means 100. Once again, O means, all of you speak out, ones, T means tens, H means 100. Very good. Now, if ma'am will speak some number, like I will speak number 5. If I will speak number 5, where will you write? On 100 place? No. Why? I don't speak any 100. Tens place? No, it's a single number. If I speak 5, you will write on which place? 5 on ones place. Very good. Practice of dodging with your parents. Now if I speak, write down 91. I speak out number 91. On number 2, you will write down 91. How you will write? You will write on 100? No, because I don't speak 100. 91. Okay. Then here you write down 9 on 10 space and 1 in 1 space. 91. If I speak out number 19. Listen. 19. Dekho. It's 91 and 19. How you write? I told you that day. 1 and 9. 19. Tens and 9. क्या हुआ? 19. Teen. T comes teen. Comes in tens line. Okay, if I speak number 70. Listen, it's not 17. Number is 70. 70. That day I will told you na to read the numbers first. If you are able to read the number, you are able to do after and before easily. Okay, if I speak, write down 110. How you will write? See, 100. 100 place में मैंने क्या बोला? 110. Now here we write down 10. If I speak or anyone speak 100, 200, 300, we write 100 in 100 place. Okay. Now if I say write down number 2. Where you write? Number 2 is single number. Only one. So we will write on ones place. Number 2. Now next, if I told you write down 120. 120. Where will you write? 100. See, on 100 place we will write 100. Now next is 20. 20. 20 you will write here. Very good. Now parents, please help your ward with this dodging. They will clear the concept of place value also with this, and plus they are able to read the number. You know about that. They are able to read the number nicely. Okay. Now we start 101 to 130. So take out your worksheet or take out your notebook and hold a sharpened pencil in your alligator hand. Hold your pencil. Yes, like this with 3 fingers. Now put it here on 100 place. Why? We start from 101. Number in figures 101. Now write with ma'am 101. All of you speak out and then write. And write till the box. Nobody will come out. Next 102. I can't hear your voice. Speak loudly. 103. Very good. 104. 105. Very good. Write down. 106. 107. 108. Yes. 109. And what comes after 109? Who will tell me? Yes, speak out. 110. Very good. Now we will write. Next, what comes after 110? Yes, 111. Nobody will write in the cross box. Leave this box and start from here. 111. 112. Yes, write down. 113. 13. Long करके बोलना. Sound is long. 114. 115. 116. 117. 118. And 119. Okay. Now tell me what comes after 119. I know it's tough for you. 9 after 9. Yes. 19. 100. Yes. It's 120. You are very intelligent. Very good. Now again, we don't write in cross box. Leave this. And 120. What comes after 120? 121. Very good. 121. 122. 123. 124. 125. 126. Speak out and write. 127. And don't rub it again and again, okay? 128. 129. And 130. D. Very good. Now all of you finish 101 to 130 on your worksheet and send your homework to ma'am. I will check and send you back. Okay? Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Take care.